Here's how to turn off Facebook sounds on your Android or iPhone. Many people find these sounds annoying, so here's a quick and easy way to disable them. First, go ahead, open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whatever you're using. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen, then scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. Again, scroll down and then tap on Media that you will find under the Preference section. In this page, you'll get different options of data saver, video quality, autoplay, impedance stories, sounds, and automatically reshare to stories. As we are looking to disable the in-app sound, we're going to head on this section over here and make sure that you turn this off. Once you've toggled the switch next to it, you'll be done. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them. And if this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.